Sorkar jala kalashim ya kara ban pelong dak eksam bat interview na kabenta ban thungkam pura ya ki nongtrei adhoc bala thungkam hadien jo kalai phuai trik no pra arjar nyau hadien bala dap penyai ya ka jingalang ka kenhun menteri hak arpen riu trik nailar u menteri rangba ka jala u konrad ki sangma ulapun bena ba ka sorkar kan pendap kumba khatsan spa tali ki kam ki balan lingba ka ni ka jingjit Hakisnam ki balalen ka sorkar kala thungkam purai ki nongtrei bathung adhoc haswa kalai phuai trik no pra arjar nyau ka bakta ya kumbalai hajar ngut ki briu katkum ka hukum jong yin kashari Supreme Court menta hadien u arjar nyau kidang don ki nongtrei adhoc ba shuthung bar kumta ka jingkeli kami baka sorkar kan le kumno yaki menta ke yin kashari Supreme Court kamsham la ailat ingi banya shakman bat shuthung kampura bet yakini ki brio ki batrei ha kita ki kam kumta ka sorkar kan ha ban yai da kalenti ban pelong da ka exam bat interview lada phim thung kampura yakini ki kam kumta ru lada shuya karen kini ki kam kinlong thali no watla ki don ki nong tre adhoc kumta ngila shim ya karai bang ansa thung pendap no habaro kini ki kam ki balan ong ukonran habakren shakilat pathai khubor U menteri rangba ulapun bena baka sorkar kansa ailat da kaba penjun sur ya karta yo kam kaba tang shisien ya kinong tre adhoc ki bala tre shipo hadu khatsan snam knang bakin yo banya khun ya ka exam ka hun menteri kala menjur ru ya ka SOP hakabaya de baka jing pelong ya ki exam bat interview ka bakan thop ya ka kendon kaban ailat ya karta yo kam ya ki kartong ki badai hok ban yo uloong Katkum ka jing ong ka jong u ka sorkar ka thumu ban a ya ka ju kalat ya baro ki nong tre adhoc bakin ya khun ya ka exam na ka benta ki ni ki kam da ka ba pentik na bakin am shakta na markarta lani na ki wei pat ki daw
Regarding the ad hoc appointments that were done in the past, post 31st December 2007. If you recall, based on a Supreme Court ruling, the people who were appointed on ad hoc basis before 2007, 31st December 2007, we had regularized them last term itself. About 3,000 plus people were regularized. Just to share with the public and with all of you, what does ad hoc mean? Basically, ad hoc means appointments which were made against sanctioned post, but were made without following proper procedure. That is what ad hoc is. A lot of people get confused that ad hoc means temporary post or master role or casual. Ad hoc is, as I said, appointments that were made without procedure being followed, but against a sanctioned post. So, in the past, Supreme Court had given us direction that the government has the option to either conduct interviews and conduct examination and selection process for people before 2007, 31st December, or government can do a one-time regularization of those ad hoc appointments. And as a government, in the interest of the people working there, we decided to regularize those appointments. Now, after 2007, there were still ad hoc appointments that were made. And hence the question arose, what will the government do for those? Now, Supreme Court has not given us the liberty to go ahead and simply regularize those posts. Those individuals who are working in those posts. So therefore, the government has to go for a selection process. Now, just to share with all of you, if you don't regularize this post, then technically speaking, in the records of the government, these posts will always show as vacant, even though there is an ad hoc appointment against it, because the regular process of selection has not been done. And hence, we have taken a decision that all vacancies will be filled. And hence, these posts of ad hoc appointments made post 31st December 2007 have to be regularized by following a procedure of selection. And hence, we will be going ahead and we will be conducting exams and interviews for these posts, which are roughly, as of now, about 1,500 of them. And an SOP has been made today, which has been passed by the cabinet. Now, the important part of the whole story is that these ad hoc appointments which were made whatever the process not followed in the past or whatever steps they took at that point in time to a point, we strongly feel as a cabinet that it would be unfair for us to not give them a chance to appear for those selection process and those exams. And hence, the decision we made today was, number one, to create an SOP. And in that SOP, number two, to have a provision to condone the age one time for those specific posts and individuals who are working as ad hoc employees in those sanctioned posts for the last 10, 15 years now. So therefore, we want to give the people working in those posts on ad hoc basis an opportunity to also appear for the test, because most of them are over age and they will not be able to give the exams, and hence they will not get the opportunity, fair opportunity to compete. And to avoid that and to give them that fair opportunity, we are giving a one-time age relaxation only for these posts that will be advertised.
What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't think you know, remember once more.